Unlock the full selling potential of your Squarespace website and transform it into a powerful online store in just minutes. First, navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and locate the Store section in the main navigation menu. This is where all your e-commerce magic happens. To add your first product, click on Products and then select Add Product. Give your product a clear and compelling title. Write a detailed description highlighting its benefits. And set your price. Don't forget to add high-quality images that showcase your offering. Next, you'll want to manage your inventory under the Inventory tab. You can set the quantity available, and Squarespace will automatically track your stock levels, preventing overselling. For products with variations, such as different sizes or colors, you can easily add these under the Options section. This allows customers to select their preferred choice directly from the product page. Now let's configure how you get paid. Head to Settings and then Checkout. Here, you'll connect your preferred payment gateway, like Stripe or PayPal, allowing you to securely accept payments from your customers. If you're selling physical products, you'll need to set up shipping under Shipping. You can define shipping zones and rates, whether it's flat rate, weight-based, or free shipping. Once everything is set up, preview your store to ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Squarespace automatically optimizes your store for mobile devices, so it looks great on any screen. With these simple steps, you've successfully transformed your Squarespace site into a robust e-commerce platform, ready to start generating revenue. Happy selling!